Portugal has become one of Europe's most popular travel destinations, and it is easy to see why. The country offers sunny beaches, historic cities, scenic vineyards, and welcoming culture. But the best time to visit Portugal depends on what kind of experience you are looking for. Some travelers come for summer beaches along the Algarve coast, others for wine harvest season in the Douro Valley, and many visit during spring or autumn to enjoy pleasant weather with fewer crowds. Let's break down the best time to visit Portugal based on weather, festivals, and travel experiences so you can plan the perfect trip. Spring, March to May. Spring is one of the most enjoyable times to visit Portugal. Temperatures begin to rise after winter. Flowers bloom across the countryside, and the cities feel lively without the heavy crowds of summer. In Lisbon and Porto, outdoor cafes fill with locals enjoying the warmer days. Spring is also an excellent time for sightseeing because temperatures are comfortable for walking through historic neighborhoods and visiting landmarks. In the Douro Valley, vineyards begin to turn green again, creating beautiful landscapes for scenic drives and wine tastings. Coastal areas such as the Algarve also begin warming up, although the ocean is still cool for swimming. For travelers who prefer mild weather, fewer tourists, and lower prices than peak season, April and May are often considered some of the best months to explore Portugal. Summer, June to August. Summer is the busiest travel season in Portugal. Warm temperatures, long sunny days, and lively festivals attract visitors from around the world. Coastal destinations along the Algarve become especially popular thanks to their golden beaches and dramatic cliffs. Swimming, boat tours, and coastal hikes are common summer activities. Cities also come alive during this season. In Lisbon, the famous Festas de Santo Antonio takes place in June, filling the streets with music, dancing, and grilled sardines. Porto celebrates São João Festival with fireworks and street parties that last all night. However, summer also brings the highest prices and the largest crowds. Hotels in popular destinations can fill up quickly, especially in July and August. Travelers who enjoy beaches, nightlife, and festival energy will love visiting Portugal during this time. Autumn, September to November. Autumn is often considered one of the best times to visit Portugal. The weather remains warm, especially in September, but the summer crowds begin to disappear. Beaches are still enjoyable, and cities become easier to explore at a relaxed pace. One of the highlights of autumn is the wine harvest season in the Douro Valley. Vineyards turn shades of gold and red as grapes are collected and transformed into wine. Many wineries offer special tastings and harvest experiences during this time. Temperatures gradually cool through October and November, making this season perfect for travelers who enjoy scenic landscapes, cultural experiences, and comfortable sightseeing weather. Winter, December to February. Winter in Portugal is quieter but still appealing. Compared to much of Europe, Portugal remains relatively mild during the colder months. Cities like Lisbon and Porto experience cooler temperatures but rarely see snow. This season is perfect for travelers who want to explore historic streets, museums, and cultural sites without large crowds. Accommodation prices are generally lower, and restaurants feel more local and relaxed. Winter is also a great time to visit Madeira, where temperatures remain pleasant and landscapes stay green year-round. The island hosts one of Europe's most famous New Year's fireworks celebrations. So when is the best time to visit Portugal? For beach vacations, June through September, especially along the Algarve coast. For sightseeing and mild weather, April, May, September, and October are excellent choices. For wine lovers, September and October during harvest season in the Douro Valley. For festivals and cultural celebrations, June offers some of the most exciting events. Portugal offers something enjoyable throughout the year, making it one of Europe's most flexible travel destinations. From colorful cities and historic villages to Atlantic coastlines and vineyard-covered valleys, Portugal offers unforgettable experiences in every season. Whether you want sunny beach days, cultural festivals, or peaceful countryside escapes, Portugal is ready to welcome you. When would you visit Portugal? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for more travel guides and destination tips.